earlier from Team New Brunswick, as again you see those receivers wag from the left to the right. 4 options to the right side, protected in the pocket, one-on-one, down the far sidelines. Pass is caught, and they're into the red zone. I know it's a sunny day here in Kingston, but I'm feeling a little chilly. It's an Alex Blizzard coming. As we approach the final minute of this game. 4 options to the right side of the quarterback. He's going to huck it one-on-one down the near side, though, and it is caught at the 25, past the 10, into the end zone. It's a Blizzard, baby! Touchdown, New Brunswick! Blizzard from 54 yards out.